So today we're gonna be making one of my personal favorites, which is a 1-ingredient, high-protein ice cream. So all you need to do is grab yourself a Rokeby's or a Paul's protein shake, 250 calories, around 30 grams of protein, and we're gonna be pouring it into our Ninja Creami pot. From there, leave it overnight until it is fully frozen. From there, we're gonna chuck it into our Ninja Creami, and I'll quickly show you what it's gonna look like when we do the first spin. All right, so once you do your first spin, it's gonna look like this. It looks really powdery. So we've found that the secret to getting a really nice smooth consistency is to just add in a little bit of extra milk, mix it in, and then re-spin it again. Beautiful. As you can see, it's a lot smoother texture now, but we're gonna put it back through for one last re-spin. Look at the consistency on that. 1-ingredient, high-protein ice cream. It's 30 grams of protein with around 300 calories with the extra milk. Be sure to give this one a go.